Don't ever trust your job. Don't ever trust your boss. Don't ever trust any company going forward. What am I talking about? What I'm talking about is that this pandemic, right? This global virus taught a lot of us a very crucial, hard lesson. And this is coming from a man who lost both his jobs. I had 2 jobs and I lost both them. Right? Going forward, right? And this is not something like, for you to necessarily hold malice towards your company, towards your boss, towards whomever, right? It's merely a lesson, a cruel, harsh lesson that the only way forward is for you to develop a side hustle and for you to eventually bring that side hustle into a realm whereby it's no longer a side hustle. It's your actual main business, your main way of putting food on the table for you and your family. Because due to this mass layoffs, right? Furlough of jobs, pay cuts, right? Instability of the job market. And a lot of us realized that we were on a thin line to begin with, right? What is going on right now, right? I am sad. I do feel terrible, right? But it was a kick in the gut that I needed, right? I feel like what happened is a kick in the gut that I needed, because now I realize I was not as skilled or not as versatile as I needed to be in a cruel, ever-changing, ever-shifting world, right? I relied on what I did in the past to carry me into the future, which is very dangerous because, once again, the world is shifting, right? And now, the very idea of going, of course, you have to go back to a job because you need money coming in, but to ever go back to the mentality of, oh, my boss, the executives or whatever care about me or gonna make sure that all the employees are well taken care of. That's not possible. They do not do it. They have never done it. And if you've ever listened to anything other than the words that come out of your boss's mouth, it shows you that they have never done it. They don't ever care about their workers ever. Period. Full stop. They don't care, right? Because during the 2008 crash, all the executives, right, all the shareholders, all of them got bonuses, all of them got raises, right? The regular workers all suffered. Period. Point blank. I don't care what I know the boss is very nice, isn't he? He smiles in your face. He looks like a good guy. Once again, I'm not saying to hate them. It's just the predicament that we're in. It's not something to necessarily hate them. You may hate I would say hate the idea of falling back under that illusion of, oh, my company's going to take care of me until I die. That's not happening, right? And what did the news say this year? Shareholders and executives all still got their dividends, all still got their regular salary, if not increases and bonuses and promotions and everything. But millions of workers are out of their job and can't find a job and are suffering on a daily basis. And all of that happened after your boss and my boss smile in our faces, right? And still let us suffer, right? And the idea of falling back under this illusion, it's just not gonna happen. Period. It's not gonna happen ever again, right? I just don't know what to do going forward. Like, I have a couple of ideas, but I'm more concerned about how fast can I get these ideas off the ground running. I need them to start running now, right? But side hustle into a full-blown business is the only way forward. Period. Point blank. A regular job is merely to get you by, to fund your side hustle and fund your business going forward. There's no other way. Period. Point blank.